So it's already 11/11 and I'm pretty sure na nakuha mo na ang iyong 13-month bonus and hindi mo alam kung saan mo gagamitin ang iyong bonus or probably hindi mo alam kung anong bibilin mo with your bonus money. Sa sobrang daming option ng phones na meron available in the market today, I'm pretty sure litong-lito ka. I've just recently released ang aking top 5 sa budget series and aking top 5 sa mid-range series na available globally and locally. In this video, it's a special edition dahil pag-uusapan natin today is the top 5 ng China ROM na available na mabibili natin sa Lazada this 11/11. So, don't go away after this quick intro. So ano nga ba meron pag China ROM ang pinag-uusapan? China ROM phones are really good. Normally, makikita mo the best specs possible at the lowest price possible sa China ROM phones. The only sacrifice na nakita ko ang kailangan mo gawin is that wala siyang Google Play Store pero installable siya and wala siyang available na warranty locally. But syempre kaya naman i-repair ng mga stores sa Green Hills and sa Quiapo, wala ka naman siguro magiging problema should you have any problem with your phone. Like I always tell my friends and my viewers, if you want something good, you have to sacrifice something. Kailangan mo rin siya isugal kasi you're getting the best. Wag na natin masyadong i-elaborate yun dahil ang aking number 5 is the OnePlus Ace3 Pro. This phone is really powerful and it's currently priced at $29,999 pero this coming 11/11 nakita ko it's down to 27,000 pesos. I'll be posting the link on the description box below para makita mo yung link na sinasabi ko sa inyo. Now, one of the best things dito sa kanya is that you're getting a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 at a 27,000 pesos price point, which is never mo makukuha to sa any phones available in the global market. But of course, like I told you, you just have to really sacrifice yung warranty mo to get the best possible phone for your money. Now, hindi lang good gaming experience ang makukuha mo dito sa OnePlus Ace3 Pro dahil it also has a good camera system. 50MP na main camera sensor with a 8MP na ultra-wide lens, plus a 2MP na macro, and this one can shoot up to 4K and 60 FPS. Yung nga lang na front-facing camera is 16MP which can only shoot you up to 1080p and 30 FPS. But overall, ang mga photos na makuha mo dito sa kanya is excellent, good, vibrant ang mga photos, be it outdoor, indoor, kaya naman na mag-perform. And another good thing is that UFS 4.0 na rin siya. Ang kanyang glass protection is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, which is probably one of the best na meron ni Corning Gorilla Glass. And it is also IP65 dust and water resistant as well. Pagdating sa gaming, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 3, expect mo to give you probably the best gaming experience na makukuha mo dito sa kanya. Be it sa Genshin Impact, sa Call of Duty Warzone, sa Fahrenheit 84, maning-mani, kayang-kaya na i-handle dito sa phone na ito. And that's the OnePlus Ace3 Pro. Moving up to the fourth spot is the Realme GT Neo 6. This phone is almost the same as the Realme GT6 locally, pero the price is way lower. Originally priced at around mga 20,000 pesos to phone na ito, mabibili mo this coming 11/11 at around 16,500 pesos lang, which I'll post on the description box below. So ano nga ba meron dito sa phone na ito? Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 3. One of the more powerful ones na 8 series si Qualcomm. And I would say na medyo mas mahina lang siya ng bahagya sa 8 Gen 2. Nevertheless, tong chip na ito can definitely perform. It can give you some really good gaming experience dito sa phone na ito. And I was able to test out game titles like Genshin Impact, Call of Duty Warzone, and si Fahrenheit 84. Kaya naman niya i-handle, except that si Warzone, medyo nahirapan siya ng konti sa graphics. Medyo hindi lang ganun kagnais-nais sa aking experience. But you can always lower down yung graphical settings to give you a better, smoother experience. And yun lang ang aking mapapayo until they optimize it for you. Now, another highlight na meron dito sa phone na ito is that 5,500 mAh ang kanyang battery and supports up to 120 watts na wired charging. So that's definitely fast para sa price point like this, around 16,000 pesos. Sobrang bilis ng kanyang charging dito sa phone na ito. And meron din siya magandang camera, 50MP na main camera sensor with a 8MP na ultra-wide lens. Meron din siya OIS by the way, and it can shoot you up to 4K and 60. Maganda rin ka ng front-facing camera at 32MP and it can shoot you up to 4K and 30. One thing to like dito sa kanya is that maganda ang kanyang experience pagdating sa indoor, low light, and sa outdoor na well-lit. Manila kanya to give you some really nice snaps on this phone. And that's my number 4, si Realme GT Neo 6. Napag-usapan na natin ang number 3 natin. It's the iQOO or tawag nila iQOO Z9 Turbo. Bakit nga ba hindi Plus ang sinuggest ko sa inyo? Dahil this phone can give you a good experience already. Hindi mo na kailangan ng Plus dahil maganda ang kanyang camera system dito. And it can also give you a good gaming experience na makukuha mo rin naman sa Turbo Plus. So why spend more if you can get something almost as good as the Plus, which can save you around mga 4,000 pesos. By the way, ang Z9 Turbo is around mga 17,500 pesos. Pero this coming 11/11, sobrang bagsak presyo guys. Makukuha mo sa around mga 15,200 pesos na lang, which I'll post on the link on the description box below. Now, one thing to like dito sa kanya, na powered siya ng Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 3. And one thing to notice dito sa kanya is it's already powerful. It was able to give me a 1.5 million Antutu benchmark score. And si Z9 Turbo Plus, having in Dimensity 9300 Plus, binigyan ako ng 1.8 million points sa Antutu benchmark. Ang kanyang gaming experience is, well, lamang lang kunti si Turbo Plus, pero kayang-kaya din i-handle ni Z9 Turbo ang mga titles like si Genshin Impact, Call of Duty Warzone, and si Call of Duty Mobile, pati si Farlight 84. So, I don't think I need to spend the extra 4,000 para sa Turbo Plus. Personally speaking, syempre gusto ko ibigay sa inyo ang best advice possible without overspending your money. Syempre, you can save that 4,000 pesos to buy something else para pangregalo mo this coming Christmas. I would tell you na sapat na si Z9 Turbo dahil ang kanyang camera is also pretty good. Solid na solid ang kanyang 50MP na main camera sensor with a 8MP na ultra-wide lens, and kaya din niya mag-shoot up to 4K and 60 by the way. Yung nga lang, ang kanyang front-facing camera is a 16MP which can only shoot you up to 1080p and 30, pero bawing-bawi siya pagdating sa battery. 6,000 mAh ang kanyang battery with fast charge up to 80 watts na fast charging. For me, enough said, sobrang okay na tong phone na ito. And I would testify na it would give you a good camera experience dahil nung sinubukan ko naman siya on outdoor and indoor, kahit low light, kaya naman na mag-perform. Hindi naman siya sobrang kasing ganda ng mga flagship level, but I would say na maganda siya, and it's for me personally above average for a gaming phone like the iQOO Z9 Turbo. So syempre, bago tayo mag-proceed sa ating top 2, inaanayahan ko kayo mag-subscribe sa ating channel, and sana makamit natin ang ating munting pangarap na umabot ng 300,000 subscribers this coming end of 2024. So sana matupad. Kunting tulong sa inyo would mean a lot to me. And syempre, bago tayo tumuloy sa ating top 2, i-mention ko muna ang honorable mention dito sa list na ito. And it's none other than my favorite Vivo X100 Ultra. This phone is quite expensive. I would say 58,000 pesos, and itong 11/11, you'll be able to get it at around 54,000 pesos if you check the link on the description box below. Now, one thing to like dito sa kanya is sobrang ganda ng kanyang camera system. I would tell you honestly, and I can look you in the eyes and sabihin ko sa inyo na this is probably one of the best camera na nagamit ko for this 2024. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which can give you some really good gaming experience, but hindi ang gaming ang highlight dito sa phone na ito. It's the camera experience. Dito mo makikita yung ganda ng collaboration between Vivo and Zeiss. Meron siya 50MP na main camera sensor with gimbal OIS and a 200MP na periscope telephoto lens with up to 3.7 times optical zoom. Meron din siya 50MP na ultra-wide lens, and it can shoot you up to 8K and 30. Front-facing camera na 50MP, and it can shoot you up to 4K and 60. Lahat yan Zeiss optics guys. And based sa aking experience personally, sabi ko siya, sobrang happy ako dito sa phone na ito. Be it sa photo, sa video, this is probably definitely one of the content creators' choice. Sobrang ganda ng mga snaps na kuha ko dito. I'm really happy and satisfied with it. And probably for me, it can even surpass yung aking gamit right now na Xiaomi 14 Ultra. Which is, by the way, also a China ROM phone kasi hindi rin to available locally. Pwede ko na rin isama sa honorable mention. Now, moving up to my second spot is the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus. This phone has seen a big improvement from the 13 series. I'm happy to tell you na ang laki na nilundag niya. Nung Note 13 series, medyo kamot ulo ako sa kanya dahil why Xiaomi? Why? Ang hindi ganun kaganda ang kanyang performance. But bumawi na sila this time around sa Note 14 series, especially si Note 14 Pro Plus. And currently, it only has a China ROM variant. So isasuggest ko pa lang sa inyo right now is the China ROM variant. Currently, priced at 18,500 pesos, makukuha mo this Lazada 1111 at only 16,800 pesos, which makita nyo sa link on the description box below. Now, what to love about this one is okay ang kanang processor. Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 is quite powerful enough. It's, for me, more than okay for a day-to-day usage and giving you some good gaming experience like Mobile Legends, Honor of Kings, and playing Call of Duty Mobile, and probably even Farlight 84 and si Genshin Impact, kayang-kaya naman yung handle. Except na siguro si Genshin Impact, hindi mo lang kaya sobrang isagad ang kanang graphical settings. One thing to like din sa kanya is binigay ni Xiaomi ang best protection possible dahil this one also has a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. And it also has a IP69K na dust and water resistance dito sa phone nito, but I did not tell you na gawin nyo siyang underwater camera phone dahil ang dami nag-test sa Note 13 Pro Plus, umiyak sila dahil nag-fog ang kanilang camera lenses. So please, don't try it. Take my advice. And pinaka-biggest improvement na is definitely sa kanyang camera. This one has a 50MP na main camera sensor with OIS, 50MP na telephoto lens with up to 2.5 times optical zoom, and 8MP na ultra-wide lens. Can let you shoot up to 4K and 30, and ang kanyang front-facing camera is 20MP which can shoot you up to 1080 and 60. I would say na one of the good things dito sa kanya is ang kanyang photography. Gumanda, mas naging okay ang mga shots na nakukuha ko dito sa phone nito, be it outdoor or indoor, lalo sa low light condition. It has improved. I would say the word is drastically. Malaki talaga nilundag na for me personally. Kaya nga sa title ng aking review, it's the return of the comeback kasi si Redmi Note series is one of the best seller ni Xiaomi. Except that si 11, 12, 13 medyo ganon sablay nung si Redmi Note 10 sobra siyang hotcake. So welcome back Redmi Note series. And ang number 1 sa aking puso is none other than the Redmi Turbo 3. Ba't nga ba siya napili ko? Dahil this phone is priced at around mga 17,000 pesos and this coming 11/11 sale sa Lazada, magugulat ka sa kanyang presyo, guys. Bumaba siya as low as 13,700 pesos. Oh my God, sobrang mura. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 na to, guys, for just below 14,000 pesos. Saan ka makakahanap nito? As in, I was really surprised with this price. Sobrang jaw-dropping ang kanang presyo, guys. Ang kanang camera system, 50MP na main camera sensor with OIS, packed together with a 8MP na ultra-wide lens. Pwede siya mag-shoot up to 4K and 60. Front-facing camera, 20MP, up to 1080 and 60. Pagdating sa indoor and outdoor, you'll be able to get some nice and decent snaps sa kanya. But more ang habol mo dito sa kanya is definitely ang gaming experience mo dito at this price point. Isipin mo, pwede mo sagad-sagarin ang mga games like Genshin Impact, Call of Duty Mobile, Call of Duty Warzone, and all of the other titles na gusto mo i-try, pwede mo sagad-sagarin. But syempre si Genshin, medyo kailangan mo bahan konti. But nevertheless, you can still push si Genshin Impact dito sa game na ito. And I was able to get some really nice experience. And probably one of my best recommended phone for this year talaga, kahit maraming tatanong sa akin, no, kung ano mas prefer ko, Z9 Turbo or si Redmi Turbo 3. I would always refer Redmi Turbo 3 dahil sa kanyang presyo, definitely mas mababa siya compared sa Z9 Turbo. And pagdating sa performance, it is almost at par, pero for me, instant winner na itong si Redmi Turbo 3 dahil sobrang okay ang kanang presyo. Plus, you get a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus na protection and a IP64 na dust and water resistance. Meron pa siyang 5,000 mAh na battery supporting up to 90 watts na fast charging. Ano pang hinahanap mo? Just 13,700 pesos, lahat yung makukuha mo dito sa phone na ito. No wonder I place it on top of my list. Itong si Redmi Turbo 3. Now guys, I hope na natulungan ko kayo dito sa list na ito, the top 5 best China ROM phones na pwede na mabili this 11/11 and even heading towards Christmas. But I would suggest na bumili kayo this 11/11 dahil this is the biggest sale of the year for Lazada. And it's even cheaper than pagdating sa 12/12. So guys, don't forget to click the link on the description box below para makita nyo and makuha nyo ang legit links na isasuggest ko sa inyo dahil verified ko mga links na ito, iwas tayo scam this coming Christmas. So kung may napili kayo, alam nyo na may kaibigan kayo, kamag-anak or kapamilya na naghanap din ng phone, don't forget to share this video naman para hindi mo sinosolo ang video ko. Ikaw ha, bad. Christmas is time for sharing and giving. Kaya don't forget to share this video. Anayahan mo rin i-click ang link on the description box below para makuha nyo ang legit links. Syempre, a sub to this channel would definitely be appreciated. I'll see you on my next video. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.